Hello everyone, welcome to Roni Tuitions Maths Has Fun. Today we are learning that 8th standard mathematics understanding quadrilaterals. In that lesson, exercise 4.1 means understanding quadrilaterals. In that exercise 4.1, sixth main question. Before that, the another questions, another video will be there. So in that first, it asked the find the angle measures x in the following figure. Some figures are given in that figures we have to find the x value. What is the x angle in that? This is a quadrilateral given. In that x is written here, we have to find what is the measure of angle x. Suppose that this quadrilateral name we are giving a, b, c and d. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. We know that one. We know that ABCD is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four side. It has the four side. Quadrilateral. Four side. So in that total angle, sum of the total interior angle, these are called the interior angles of a quadrilateral is always 360 degree. So we can write that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to how much? 360 degree. Why? Because of interior angle of a quadrilateral is always 360 degree. It is called the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Q. ASPQ means angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Q means quadrilateral. P means that property. S means sum. A means angle sum property of quadrilateral. So angle A how much given in that? That is given the 50 degree. 50 degree plus angle B how much given? X degree only, plus angle C how much given? 120 given, plus angle D how much given? 130 is equal to how much? 360 degree it will be, because of total angle is in a quadrilateral is always 360 degree. Four side has, then interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree only. We are adding it. 50 plus 120, 170. 170 plus 130 is equal to 300 it is. How much? 300 total we are adding. See, 50 plus 120 plus 130. 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carry and 3. So 300. 300 degree plus x degree is equal to 360 degree. Then x is equal to what? You learned already how to solve the equation in one variable in last lesson. So 360 degree minus 300 degree. Then x is equal to what? 360 minus 300 is equal to 60 degree. Means the measurement of the angle x is how much? 60 degree. So the value of x angle, the means angle B or x, that is the 60 degree. That is the answer. Let's solving the another question. Question number 2. In that it is also a quadrilateral given. Suppose that we are starting giving the name of a quadrilateral. It is A, it is B, it is C vertices and D vertices. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. We can write ABCD is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four side hat. It has four side. Now in that this angle, this type sign will come, means this is the perpendicular or 90 degree it is. So this angle A is 90 degree here. Here is also 90 degree. Perpendicular means the line which are drawn like this. That 90 degree angle, this side also will be 90 degree angle. Because of on the line, the two angles which are the 90 degree, they are called the supplementary angles. So this is 90 degree angle. So we can write in that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree. Why? Because of angle sum property of a quadrilateral. In that we can write that angle A is equal to how much? 90 degree. Plus why 90 degree? Because of this side 90 degree given and it is a line. On the line another angle will be the 90 degree. Plus angle B how much given? X degree. Plus angle C how much given? 70 degree. Plus angle D how much given? 60 degree is equal to how much? 360 degree. Now we are adding 90 plus 130 is equal to 220 degree. 220 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. Now let's be adding it. We come to know 70 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So what will be 0? 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 9, 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. So 200. Then x is equal to what? 360 degree. This number will go that side. Then it will become the 220 degree. Then 360 minus 220. Then x is equal to what remaining in that? 360 minus 220 is equal to 140 degree. 140 degree. See here we can write in like this. 360 minus 220, 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 4, 2 is equal to 4 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 140 degree. The value of x angle is what? 140 degree. Let's taking the third question. Please like the video, share the video to your friend to make them also understand it well. Say to your friends also to learn this. Now in that it is given the, let we are giving a one quadrilateral name we are giving. It is A, it is B, it is C, it is D and it is E. In that there are the 5 sides are there. There are the 5 sides are there in that. So in 5 sides means how many sides let it be? The interior angle is always the 360 degree excepting the triangle. In the triangle there is the 180 degree. In triangle it is 180 degree. So 5 interior angles will be the different in that. So here we are finding this angle. So this is a line. Let this is here writing F and G writing. So here we can write FG is a line. Okay, FA is a line or FAE line. FE writing. FE is a line. So we can write this angle is 60 degree. So this angle we can find. This angle we can find easily. This angle we can find easily. So what will become this angle? So angle 70 degree plus this angle. Let this angle name given BAE. Angle BAE is equal to what? 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. Linear pair means it is on a line. It is on a line. See, because of this is a line. This is a line on this angle. This one line it is there. On that this angle, this angle, this angle, all how much angles are there? That is always 180 degree because of straight angles. These are or linear pair it is called. So it is we can write angle BAE is equal to 180 minus 70 degree. Then angle BAE is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110 degree. So this angle we got 110 degree. We are finding this angle also. This angle also we're finding. So what is that? This is a line. Now AG line. AG is a line. Then what will become? So we know that angle GED, angle GED plus this angle DEA, angle DEA is equal to how much? 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. Because of linear pair it is also. So this angle given the 60 degree. This angle we are going to find angle DEA. This side, this angle we are going to find out this angle. So what will become is equal to 180 degree. Then angle DEA is equal to 180 minus 60 degree is equal angle DEA is equal to how much? 180 minus 60 is equal to 120 degree. This angle we got 120 degree we got. Now it is finding that we have to find the angle. Which one? That x in that we are going to find out the angle. Now let's finding that angle. So then one angle in that before that given this one. In this diagram only we are writing here. Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E. Angle E is equal to how much? That also it interior angle of that that in any quadrilateral or any any sides of that exterior angle is always 360 degree. In that also can be, but interior angle it will be the. Then the interior angle of this total pentagon is 540 degree. Why? to find out the interior angle of any sides, the formula is there, n minus 2 into 180 degree to interior angles, inside angles, any angle. So in that, how much sides are there? 5 sides are there in the diagram. In this diagram there are the 5 sides are there. So here 5 sides are there. See, now in that diagram 5 sides are there. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 5 sides. 5 sides are there. So interior angle will be the, in that, how much it will be? 5 in minus 2 into 180 degree, 118 degree. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 3 into 180 is equal to what? 540. 18 3s are 54 and 0. This much angle. So angle A, how much we got? Angle A we got here. Angle A we got the 110 degree. So 110 degree. Angle B is given x degree. Angle C how much given? 30 degree. Angle D how much given? Angle D is also x. Angle E how much we got? Angle E we got 120 degree. 120 degree is equal to how much? It is 540 degree. Now we are adding it all. So what will become? 110 plus 120 is equal to 230. 230 plus 30 is equal to 260. 260 plus x and x, 2x is equal to what? 540 degree. Then 2x is equal to 540 minus 260 degree. Then 2x is equal to how much will come? In that minus doing we are, then it will 0 minus 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 6 cannot happen, so 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Okay, and this will become 1 carry. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 280 degree. Then x is equal to what? Next following, then x is equal to what? 280 divided by the 2 is equal to 140 degree. So what is the value of x angle? Angle x is 140 degree. 140 degree. Now another question taking. Please like the video, share the video to your friends to make them understand, learn it well, and subscribe the channel if you are new on that. Suppose that, what is the name? Suppose we are giving the name A, B, C, D, E. This is a pentagon. 5 sides are there. See, 1 side, 2 side, 3 side, 4 side, 5 side. Pentagon are there. All angles are equal. All sides are equal. So first of all, we have to find the interior angle of a quadrilateral. So interior angle of this one pentagon. So what is that? N is equal to here phi. Okay, interior angle. So what is the interior angle of that? Interior angle is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. So n is equal to how much? 5 sides are there, minus 2 into what? 180. Then what? 3 into 180 is equal to 540 degree. So what is the total sum of this total angles is at 540 degree. Now let's writing angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E. Angle E is equal to what? 540 degree, and all are the given x only. X plus x plus x plus x. 5 angles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 angles are there is equal to what? 540 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means 5x is equal to 540 degree. Then x is equal to what? 540 divided by 5 is equal to 5 1 is 5 and 5 8 is 40. 0 came. Means x is equal to what? 108 degree. 108 degree. The all values of this all are the 108 degree. Now we are going to the 7th question. Question number 7. 7th main, find the x plus y plus z. Means in that angles we have to find out, and we are going to we have to add them. Now it is a one triangle shape given, and these are exterior angles given. Exterior angle given, it is exterior angle given. Now we are finding first the angle x we are finding. So angle x means it is a, we are giving the name A, B, C, D, E, F, like that name given. Now we are finding this angle first, DCE. This angle we are going to find out. Okay, DCE. So this angle, this is a line. This is a line. What is the name? BD is a line. BD is a line, or on line. All angles are the 180 degrees. Supplementary they are, all are. So this angle written angle C. This angle ABCE. Angle BCE plus angle x. You can write angle x is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. Linear pair it is. So this is the how much given? 90 degree. 90 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to what we can write? 180 minus 90 is angle x is equal to also 90 degree. So x value we got 90 degree. X we got. Now we are going to find the y. We are going to find the y. Y is the exterior angle of a triangle. So means this are you can write the sum of that one. Like that. This sum you can write, then this will be the that angle. Now BCE. BCE is a triangle. BCE is a triangle. Triangle. So otherwise we can write this one finding, then this one. So angle y. Angle, so that angle y is a exterior angle. Exterior means outside. In a triangle. Is a triangle. Exterior angle, and exterior angle is always sum of the opposite two angles. Then angle y is equal to angle, this angle B plus angle C, this angle and this angle. So angle y is equal to what we come? 90 degree, B is 30 degree and plus 90 degree. So angle y is equal to what we come? 120 degree. Angle y become 120 degree. Now we are finding the angle z. So this angle we are finding z means this also, this is a line. This is a line. This also line. Otherwise this angle is 120 degree. This angle will be the 60 degree. This and this we are adding. Then this will come. Let this line in writing only. So we are writing let A and y, this is AE is a line. So now angle z plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of line. Linear pair it is. It is line. So that, so we can write angle z is equal to what? 180 minus 30 degree. Then angle z is equal to what? 150 degree. Now it is asked x plus y plus z. All we find it. So angle x, how much we got? Angle x we got the 90 degree. X plus y plus z is equal to angle x 90 degree plus angle y 120 degree plus angle z how much? 150 degree. So total we are adding. So 0 will come. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 9 16. 1 carry. Okay, 2 and 1 3. 360 degree. So what we understand by this? The exterior angle of all shapes is the always 360 degree. Exterior angle always 360 degree only. Exterior. Interior angle can be the different. So we got that. In that 7th question, B part we are doing. 2nd question we are doing. In that we are going to find the x, y, z, w. Plus we are doing here written x, here written y, here written z and here written w. Now in that also exterior angle we can say that all will be the 360 degree, but we have to find. So first we are giving the names of that one. Suppose that we start from the name here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now we given. Now this is a line. We are thinking for x purpose. So this is a line. What is the name? AG is line. AG is a line. So we can write here 120 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair it is. On a one line, straight angle it is. Straight line it is. On the line it is. Linear pair it is. Then we can write angle x is equal to 180 minus 120. Then x is equal to what? 180 minus 120 is equal to 60 degree. One value we got. Now we are going to find the value of the y. Finding the value of y. This is a line now. Okay. So this is line means we can write BD is a line. BD is a line. BD is a line. So we can write here 80 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. It is a line. Linear pair it is. So we can write the y is equal to 180 minus 80 degree. Y is equal to what we got? 100 degree. What we got? 100 degree. Now we are going to find the z. Now this is the line. Now in that line means what? CF is a line. CF is a line. So what we can write, 60 degree plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair. Why? Because of linear pair. These are the also linear pair. So we can write angle Z is equal to what? 180 minus 60 degree. So what we got? Angle Z is equal to 120 degree we got. Now we are going to find the angle W. Now this angle we don't know. Here this also we don't know, here also we don't know. So now it is a quadrilateral. What we got? First we got the B C E G. B C E G is a quadrilateral. Is a quadrilateral. 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 So in that angle B plus angle C plus angle E plus angle G is equal to what? 360 degree. Because of quadrilateral, interior angle is 360 degree. So angle B, how much we got? This is the inside written 120 degree. 120 degree. Angle C, how much given? 80 degree. Plus angle E, how much given? 60 degree. Plus angle G, we don't know. Angle G. Okay, that is equal to how much? 360 degree. So this we are adding all are. So this will become the 0 0 0 0 only. 6 plus 8 14 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. 1 carry and 2. 260 degree plus angle G is equal to what? 360 degree. Then angle G is equal to what? 360 degree minus 260 degree. Then angle G is equal to how much came? 100 degree. This angle we got the 100 degree now. Now angle W we are finding. So angle W finding means what? This is a line now. HE is a line. HE is a line. Is a line. So we can write that angle 100 degree. 100 degree plus angle W. W is equal to what? 180 degree. Why? Because of linear pair it is. Linear pair it is. Then W is equal to what? 180 minus 100 is equal to W is equal to what? 80 degree. Is equal to what? 80 degree. Okay. Otherwise in a quadrilateral the opposite angles are similar. In that here it is came. Now we got the what we have to find? X plus Y plus Z plus W. X value what we got? X value we got that. X value we got the 60 degree. Plus Y value what we got? Y value we got 100 degree. Plus ZW what we got? 120 degree. Plus W what we got? 80 degree. 80 degree. We are all it adding, then it will become the 360 degree. What will become? 360 degree. So we understand by this कि in exterior angle of any shape is always 360 degree. हाँ, interior angle can be different and that is given by formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. That is the interior angle of that one. Okay. For watching, thank you for watching the video. Like the video, share the video and subscribe the video. Subscribe the channel if you are the new on that. Thank you.